Hey guys, it's time for this week's spelling lesson. We're in Unit 9, Week 1, and what we are practicing this week are adding suffixes to some words. And so we already are aware of suffixes, but a suffix is something that you are adding, a group of letters that you're adding to the end of a base word. So we would have a base word, or sometimes they're called root words, and then we're going to add another piece, which would be the suffix, and that's going to make a brand new word. And usually that new word has a new meaning that allows us to change the meaning of the base word to make something new. Okay, so we're looking at a few particular suffixes this week. And so our first one, I put that line to show, hey, there's letters before, but if we do less at the end of the word, so there's our first example, careless. Less added to the end of end of a base word means without. So careless would mean without care. And that's how we change the meaning of the words. Harmless, without harm. It will not harm you, it's harmless. We have wireless, without wires. And we have worthless. It is without any worth. So if you find something and you're thinking, this is worthless, well, it's without worth. We have full, which, just like you might think, it means full of, and then whatever that base word is. So looking at our examples on our list, we have truthful, full of truth. We have wonderful, full of wonder. Wonder can sometimes mean amazement. So if you're saying something is wonderful, it is full of wonder. It fills you up with that amazement. Then we have able. Now, just like less meant without, able means with. So, comfortable means you are with comfort. Dependable means you are with depend, means we can depend on you, right? Valuable, with value. And our final one we have is ist. And this is a person, spelling error, a person who studies, or a person who does or works. Those are all kind of a related idea. And so our couple of examples we have is a biologist, a person who studies biology or works with biology. A novelist is a person who makes novels or studies novels or works with novels. Novels are big books. We have a journalist, a person who studies journal. Well, that's writing, and journalism is what they call people who work for newspapers. So a journalist would be a person who studies journalism. Okay? So these are the 4 suffixes that we are working through this week. In addition to knowing how to spell these words, you need to be able to read them. You need to be able to understand the meaning of them. Okay, it's your turn. You can pause the video now if you would like to look at the list here, or you can walk over and grab your list out of your mailbox to put them in your planner. Just don't forget to put that list back in your mailbox when you're done. All right, thanks for following. Thanks for working hard. See you next time.